Namaste and a very warm welcome to this meditation where I would like to share with you a technique that's inspired by the Enlightenment Intensive process. It's an ancient technique practice that is used to contemplate koans. But for this meditation, we're going to use the question, what is alive in me? So to begin, let's start by finding a space where you can relax, where you feel safe and where you won't be disturbed. Switch off your phone, close the door, and simply relax into the moment. What matters is that you're holding the wish to explore and to reflect on how you're doing right now, just to check in with yourself. So to begin with, we start by just contemplating for a moment what's around you. Just take a moment to look whether you're inside or outside, what's happening around. And not with any commenting, not here to judge or to try and make a story, but just simply to become aware. And to draw your attention more deeply into the present moment. And once you've scoped out your environment and you're feeling relaxed and safe, now is the time to close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, bring the focus of your attention on taking one full conscious breath. Breathe in and relax. That feeling of letting go, release. It's giving your whole system the signal that you're moving into a nice, quiet, contemplative space. You may wish to take 2 or 3 such breaths and just notice how your breathing can change your state very quickly when you're aware of it. Breathing in, drawing in energy. A moment of stillness when you're neither breathing in nor out. And the feeling of relaxation as your body softens as you exhale. So take your time to build that connection to the body, to feeling grounded. You may become aware of your feet connecting to the earth, to the ground. So your energy is moving away from thinking into the body, into the heart, into the belly, and connecting also more to your senses, listening, feeling. One more conscious breath, relax, and we're ready to begin with the practice of contemplating the question, what is alive in me right now? Take the question and take the question into your heart. What is alive in me? It's not something for the mind to start making comments about. Just for now, allow that question to rest in the heart space, as if you're holding a butterfly. What is alive in me? Receive it like the earth receiving rain. Just merge with it. What is alive in me? So you feel it as though it's echoing through every cell in your body. After a moment, simply observe. Simply observe whatsoever arises within you. And be open to whatever you sense, feel, or imagine in response to holding that question. So how do you feel? What emotions are there? Are there any thoughts? What's the quality of your thoughts? Are they intense? Are they relaxed? How does your heart feel? You don't need to boil the ocean by exploring all of these at the same time. It's just to give you some guidance to open and allow whatsoever arises within you in this moment in response to holding the question in your heart space. What is alive in me? And you can use your breathing to hold you in the present moment, to help you to hold the space, to connect to the moment, to give space for that question to move through your system, to be open to whatsoever arises. And it's not that you need to do anything with whatsoever arises, it's enough right now to simply observe. Just notice, what do I feel? Maybe there's a thought that comes into my mind, or a color, an image, a memory. It may be that a sense of peace is there, perhaps in the background, or a quiet joy. Or there may be an issue that's going on in your life right now that's bringing your eyebrows together. Whatsoever it is, simply observe. And again, use the question like a mantra. What is alive in me right now? So that it holds you in the moment. And the question starts to resonate in your heart, in your being. So your subconscious starts looking to find an answer, to respond to that question. What is alive in me right now? And it may be that it takes a while for an answer to come, or that later that you find at some point, when you've forgotten about asking the question, something arises, or an opportunity or a life situation starts to reveal an answer to you in response to whatsoever it is that you need, whatsoever is alive in you that needs to have some space. Or it may be that very quickly it's just something releases, you let go of some tension. Or you simply enjoy taking a breath, self-reflecting, being at peace. But just to summarize the technique, connect to the present moment. Hold the question, what is alive in me, in your heart space. Merge with it. There's no rush. Be open to whatsoever arises and observe. And that's it. And you can practice that with any question. Yeah. Whenever you feel the need to have an answer to some question that comes into your life, you can use the same technique. But what is alive in me right now? Beautiful way to begin this exercise. So I hope it brings you many insights. And I wish for you a beautiful rest of your day. And thank you so much for sharing your presence in this beautiful little meditation. And I will see you in the next session. Namaste. Take care. So much love.